Yes! Woo! You greased it!
Yay!
How cool was that?
About to head to Woodridge, guys.
Yeah.
Loaded up, eh, Leon?
Can't see it that well. Oh, now I can see it now. Look at that.
Where's your bike?
I don't want to go.
Why?
Because he's taking the video.
I mean, you're gonna be our dedicated videographer, but your 50 is crashed and it's broken, and then the other 50,
Yeah.
you don't like it, huh?
Yes, because I got the TT50 KTM.
Because why?
Because I'm gonna break it.
I don't think you'll break it. Nice and easy, Leon. Nice and easy, and go wide. Go wide. 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 Nice and easy. Stay on the gas, though. You got to stay driving. All right. We got Kaido on the KTM 50 today. Leon's bike is unfortunately broken. And he doesn't want to ride the other one we have, so he's in the ute just chilling. But Kaido's keen to ride. There we go. Full send it! Full send it! Send it! Send it! We're gonna get him to jump one of these gaps today. He's got to do it. Not sure about one of these ones. These ones are a bit big for him, but on the other side, there's a couple that are tiny. He probably could do this one. The landing's a bit stuck, though. I want to see him do it on the next set of gaps out here. Wrap. So I want him to jump these ones, but not this one, but the next one. You can definitely do that, Kaido. Let's tell him. You know that one back there? You can definitely do that one. You can definitely do that one. So you go over that first one, and when you get over the rolling hill, just like pin it off of it and just stay nice and straight. Full commitment, full commitment. Full send. Don't do it on that side. Look at all the hole there. Come on the right side, the inside. Yeah, but if you basically get over that hump and then just go wham straight off, you'll easily clear it, and just stay front your head. Keep your head over the bars, standing up, and then just go wham, and you'll easily clear it. Come on, son. Oh! Hey! Yo, you cased it pretty heavily.
A little bit.
But if you went, how much faster do you think you could have went?
A little bit.
If you went a little bit faster, you'd probably get the front wheel over it. And then you'd have greased it. Oh, Kano! If you went a little bit more, you would have had it. Try it again. I'm gonna wait there and watch you until I get the video. Go, 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 go! Yes! Yeah! Woo! You greased it!
Yay!
How cool was that?
Whoa, I thought I was gonna crash first.
Nice. Easy. Easy. So easy, mate. You gonna do, what do you feel?
What?
Hey, that was sick. Good job. Proud of you. Proud of my boy. Greasing his first gap. How good is that? That's a solid little jump for him.
It's track on wood. I think I'm gonna make that. This track is actually a pretty good track. I used to ride this track when I was on the side. A little bit too much comfort. Steven. Thanks, Steven. I didn't go all the way to the inside, but in my MS Stress ATV Legend game, just like this, I always go on the outside. I played it in the morning. But now I'm ready to realize. If you want to buy that, but just 2 days. I have to go. But if you want to play MS5, you gotta have a keyboard. I played him on I got like big air. I usually rail shooters. So a lot of bikes. I know what's the problem now. That's why I fall. That's all up there. And I think I have one hand up. I'm gonna go on the outside because it's much better. My dad said he is. Oh, it's
All right, boys, there it is. Woodridge. End of the paid season.
We retired.
Yeah, we'll be back. Yeah, fine, Kato. Good clear.
I'm not fine.
And Leon, you're gonna have your bike fixed once we come back,
fine,
yeah?
Look. I'm not fine.
Well, that's what you get for playing on the chair. But yeah, Woodridge is always a good time. Great for kids, especially. And hey, if you want to hone your skills, not too bad for the adults as well, but it is a little bit smaller than most tracks. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, what do we say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.